Hello. Hey, I'm calling all new students, teachers, and writers today with a quick tip for you. I bet you're going to be writing papers and probably writing stories. And I have a tip for you because when I was writing in my first novel, I had to change the name of a character from Jane to Mary, say. That meant I'd have to go through the entire manuscript to find the names. But I found that in Word, there is a tool called Find and Replace. And in Microsoft Word 2010, the Find and Replace is located under the Home tab. So click on the Home tab, go all the way to the right, and you'll find Find, Replace, Select. Those are what you need to change, like if you have a misspelled word throughout, maybe you spelled weirdly, and maybe you have, like I did, a character or a place or something in your manuscript that you need to fix. This is such a simple, easy way to do. And I think you can do it and have a wonderful year of writing, whether it's in school or in a manuscript, a poem, a blog. You guys really will rock it this year. Have a great school year. Thank you.